Bonafide Hustler here, and it's a rainy day. I'm going to start another vlog. I'm about to go do some thrifting, so let's see what I find. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my house. And I think the last vlog left off at those lockers that we purchased off of Facebook Marketplace, and I dropped them off yesterday at the booth, so that's pretty cool, or one of them at least. But yeah, we'll see what we can get into today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also find me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. And there's also a free guide right here that you can go check out. It is the first link down below. You can learn how to make some awesome money reselling used goods. Okay, so I'm gonna get down the road and get to the first Goodwill. I'm gonna see about 2 Goodwills today, maybe even a 3rd thrift store, and then make it back here. Who knows what we're gonna find today? We'll see. As you can see, it's raining. Oh, but I might be able to find some good stuff today because a lot of people don't like to go out in the rain, and so I could find some cool things. I'm gonna try to go to 2 thrift stores. I could maybe get a 3rd in there. We'll see. But I want to, get down the road and see what I can find. Thrift stores are open in Austin, Texas, and it's fun. It's back to fun. We don't have the garage sales yet or anything like that, but still, this is fun. Thrift stores, that's fun. Yeah. First thrift store is this Goodwill right here. Let's get inside. All right, I didn't find anything at that last Goodwill. Let's see if I can find anything at this one. It's raining hard. Pretty interesting bag right here. Summit Series North Face next to it. This one's not worth as much for sure. Okay, I didn't find anything at that last Goodwill, but I'm at another thrift store called Texas Thrift Store. And I found this Sun Mountain SV1 speed cart. It's a golf, basically caddy. Put your golf clubs in here and push it around the course. Umbrella holder is good. The umbrella thingy is right here on the side. You can kind of see it under. So you definitely want to get that for the umbrella. That screws on up here. The brake works. Everything looks really good, and it's functioning properly. This is probably a $100 local sale. All right, I'm in another Goodwill, contemplating on buying these Reebok CrossFit lifters. Mint. It's awesome. Golf carts are really good. I was on Nextdoor, by the way, and I'm trying to pick up this free bike. I'm trying to get the address right now. A free Schwinn. Hey, we'll see what I can get with this one. Damn! She just got back to me on a text saying that the first person showed up. Oof, I must have been the second person. It's okay. You win some and you lose some. Sometimes you eat dim sum. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I am doing the worst job at this vlog. All right, so remember that golf cart thing that I bought yesterday? So that was a Sun Mountain SV1. And ordinarily, I think that's in 2015 or 2013 kind of golf cart, caddy, push cart, whatever you want to call it. That thing sold less than a day later. Actually, okay, it sold 26 hours later for 120 bucks. I made the deal today. I took it down to the park where I was at, and a lady met up with me. 120 bucks, and I bought it for 25 with some tax, obviously on the video. So, hey, these like day flips are great. I hope I can find some more tomorrow. I'm gonna end this vlog tomorrow once I go thrifting, I think. And yeah, so be on the lookout for golf carts, especially Sun Mountain ones. Of course, the main Sun Mountain ones that you'll find out there are the blue ones. I don't know what the models are, but I've flipped a bunch of those. They have tri-spoke wheels. Those are still good, golf push carts, and and those usually sell for like 60 to 80. This one was a lot more light. It was called a speed cart SV1, and yeah, 120 bucks, just like that. I posted it honestly like an hour before it got bought too. So it just kind of goes to show you, I didn't post that thing the second I bought it yesterday. I posted it today, like an hour before I was heading out, and then got a couple hits. Got an offer for 80. I held out, and then someone paid full price for it today. That's what I'm talking about. I wish I could have, filmed a little bit of the sale, but I didn't have this camera with me when I was at the park. So anyways, that's what's up. And tomorrow we'll see if we can get some more thrifting done. But that's basically outdoor items to bucks right there. Little sporting goods to bucks. And something that sold yesterday that's kind of particular, that's interesting. There was a bag that sold yesterday for 65 that I was into for like 6. It was a North Face climbing bag, like a vintage one. I'd held on to it for about 6 months though. So still pretty good flip. If I can flash a picture right here, I will. All right, it's the next day. I'm about to go downtown and get a bike ride in, but I'm gonna go see 2 Goodwills and see if I can find anything there. So let's see, you know, what goes down today. I've looked at the local markets, nothing yet. I've probably checked 5 times today. But yeah, let's see. I also got a offer for a counter offer from one of my offers for $2,100 for a bicycle that I'm $1,300 into. It is unbuilt. It is sitting in my garage. If everything goes right, the shipping should be around 100. eBay fees and all that kind of stuff, you know, in the 200 range, maybe even 250 range. Bought the thing for 1,300. I would walk with around 450 in profit. So we'll see. And I did buy that bike about 5 or 6 months ago as an investment kind of bicycle. There are 5 watchers at like $2,700. So we'll, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna take the offer or not. I mean, it's a good time to take it, but I mean, I could just lower the price of the bike to maybe $2,200 with no best offer and see if anyone buys it, you know. But I just don't know if I care about that extra $100 that much when I have a guaranteed, you know, sale right here. 47 hours left on that offer as of this morning when I woke up. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I want to get to these thrift stores and see if I find anything. Arrived at the Goodwill. I'm gonna see if there's anything in here. Beautiful day outside. About to get a bike ride down. Now I gotta put a freaking mask on and stuff. Son of a. Ugh, I hate putting these things on. I hate putting these things on. Ew. But there's definitely something a little bit more ew in the air too. So don't want to get that second ew. I'd rather take this ew. Let's get in here. Didn't find anything at the last thrift store. Got one more here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I think for 10 bucks I'm on top on this. These are some Hella 550s and I think they're new. So look at this, look at the box. It's got a 1500 on there, like a step side. It's part number 74506. It's probably worth around 70 bucks. It's 10 bucks here. I think I'm gonna get into it. All right, so I bought those things and you know, I think used ones are going for around 70 and maybe these are brand new. Hopefully they are. Looks like the harness is all there. Everything's good for wiring. Maybe I can get 80 or 90, we'll see. But yeah, found something today, that's pretty cool. A couple days down the road, I'm gonna continue this vlog with a Saturday morning thrift session. Got E-Money right here.
What's up?
He's playing Call of Duty, so he ain't gonna be saying much today, but yeah, we're gonna go to some pawn shops and some thrift stores and see what we can get done. All right, so the first find of the morning was at that pawn shop. It was a $20 wakeboard, Byerly wakeboard with some Belmont bindings or something like that. Anyway, it's probably worth about 100 in town, so it'd be a local sale, nothing crazy. So we're outside of a Goodwill right now, and we're about to head in and see if we can find any cheddar. This is to me. It's T-Tech, but it's huge. These things are annoying to flip though. Yeah, that is a to me case. All right, so I did find something, but I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger on it, but these LeBron 12s, these are called the Data LeBrons, right? Anyways, this right here, it was looking pretty solid. I mean, the underneath was good. Probably would have sold for like 80 bucks or so. But there's a tear right here. So I'm gonna say no to that, but yeah, I would have bought those for sure. Those are pretty cool. Our day is kind of going like this right now. Yeah, that's a tree on the ground. Our day is like a tree on the ground, but it's about to be better. We have Taco Deli here. We're gonna eat some of this, and then we're gonna go into this Goodwill, which is right here. Then we're gonna go into one more Goodwill, which is close to here. And hopefully between these two Goodwills, we can find something good. Okay, so just got out of that Goodwill. The tacos were good, by the way. Found a huge, I wouldn't say a huge, but it's a pretty good Patagonia Grail-ish kind of thing. Aztec chinchilla, 20 bucks out the door. Pretty cool, look at that. That's a nice one. This is between 1 and 140 resale. If I wait, you know, a month, I could probably get about 120 and 140, something like that. If I want a fast sale, 100 bucks all day. Look for these things. Look at that print. Oh, it's so beautiful. Dang. All right, later on in the day, got these Chaco Senos. They're women's size 11. Posted them for 50. Got an offer for 40 locally. So I'm gonna sell them for 40. I'm probably 10 bucks into these. Nothing crazy. Also thinking about making a deal for a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Got a guy down to 220 bucks for a new unopened one. So first thing that's running through my head is I hope this thing is real in the package, you know. So I'm thinking about, you know, handing the money off and then checking the item, making sure it's an actual GoPro Hero 8 Black, you know, and not some swapped crappy GoPro, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get these things sold right now. and then that GoPro deal is probably going to go down. All right, you can probably hear the Roomba. This vlog's going all over the place. I'm probably going to close it out pretty soon. Yesterday, I missed out on that GoPro Hero 8 Black. I was getting like a really weird kind of feeling that either this thing was, I don't care if it was stolen because I don't know the story behind that, but I was getting the feeling like it might have been fake. Anyway, it sold out from under me for $250 within like 30 minutes, and it's all good. You know, I was getting the weird feelings, and I let time elapse, which if you're trying to get good deals on Facebook Marketplace or things like that, you have to act fast. It's the next day, and I've made offers on so many things today. One is a Sigma guitar, and I might pick that up this evening. We'll see. I'm trying to offer 90 bucks on it's already a $120 guitar. It's a DM2, which I could probably resell for $300 once I'm done playing with it, which would be kind of cool. Now, another note, something did sell just recently that was found on a previous vlog, or was it the vlog before? I don't know. These Red Wing 9063 boots just sold for 145 bucks like 30 minutes ago, just got paid. So I'm gonna box those things up. Actually, they're already boxed up. I'm gonna put a label on them and get them to the USPS person. Yeah. So the tactic behind these boots were that I was looking for $150, $20 pair of boots, looking to sell for $150. Took a $145 offer off of a $200 asking sale price. So one of the kind of cool things that you can do is you can make the illusion that something is worth a little bit more than what it is just by asking this like astronomically high price, and then hoping that you get down to the price that you originally would have sold it for anyway. So I've been putting all sorts of $149.99 offers out for these boots, and someone just offered me $145, took the offer, and I'm gonna ship it out to LA today. The question is, where are they? I just boxed them up. So I think they are right there, Red Wing 9063, that's the box. Pre-boxing really allows me to focus on the hustle a lot more. So basically pre-boxing is, once you get the item and you've shot it on eBay, assuming you're not a content creator like I am where you have to show the item, then, which I did show it on a previous vlog, then you basically put it in a box immediately and you're not reacting to anything in the future. At that point, when it sells, put a freaking label on it, good to go. You don't have to hunt a box down or anything like that. And that's how pre-boxing really helps me stay organized. This is all like the big shoe and boot section right here. But it's a tactic to not be reacting to anything later. I can focus on the hustle, focus on making offers, focus on hunting down deals, focus on thrifting and just all the fun stuff. And remember, I'm a content creator, right? I still have to like put this stuff on film, whip out the camera. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes that you guys don't see, the editing. But this allows me to do all this stuff simultaneously and run a very small eBay business on one wall of my gym and still have fun and mentally be in the game and like to still do it. A lot of people that are resellers can get easily caught up in the minutia and the boredom of the hustle, which I don't think is good. Anytime you're bored of something, anytime that you are not pumped up to do something, you end up doing marginally well at it, whether it be fitness, money-related things, reselling. It's just not a good thing. It's not good to replicate that because then you're not really living anymore. And I'm a huge believer that if you're not living, then something's not right and you need to dial it back and figure out what's wrong. Or you need to outsource the really boring stuff to someone else. But yeah, got this box. I think it came from Costco. It's like a food box of some sort. And is it a food box? Oh shoot, I put a pair of boots in a cheese box? Bonafide, you are a savage mofo. Okay, so these are gonna get weighed right now and measured out and out the door. Okay, so it's a couple days down the road. The guitar, I had some plans. I wasn't able to meet up with the guy. He sold it out from under me. That's just to be expected. This is how these local avenues work. What else did I sold a pair of like Clark Wallabies shoes, I think for like 50 bucks or something like that. That might have been in, I think I was in those for like 4. So, some things have sold and whatever. Sold a wakeboard yesterday for 220 bucks, but that was a personal one. So basically I want to end the vlog here because I'm about to go on a hot shot and go thrifting for about 3 to 4 hours today. So I'm gonna open up a whole new vlog for that. Stay tuned for that one. But guys, I really do appreciate the support, and you guys are commenting all the time, and like it really makes me want to keep doing this and make more vlogs. So that's what I'm gonna do, right? Because of you guys and hitting the like button and the comments and everything, I'm gonna keep vlogging. So I'll see you on the next one. Wish me luck thrifting today. I can't wait. See you guys later. Bye.